Hi friends, welcome back to Sauna with Samantha. I am Sam and this is day 4 of our Fit and Focus Through the Holidays challenge. I am so glad that you are still here with me. If you are just starting out, then welcome. I'm so glad that you're joining us. So today we are doing something a little bit different. We're gonna do a little bit of meditation. Now don't freak out and run away. Oftentimes when people think of meditation, they think of just sitting in a dark room and trying not to think. And that can be kind of an overwhelming prospect to do something like that. We're going to be doing something a little bit different though. This will be a gratitude meditation. So you can sit in any comfortable position. You can be cross-legged, you can be kneeling up on a block. This is what's most comfortable for me when I'm meditating. If you want to sit up against a wall or up in a chair, you just want to make sure that your spine is straight. So you're sitting up nice and tall. Now, if you need to shift and change positions throughout the meditation, don't worry about that. That's totally fine. Just shift and get comfortable again. And if this is your first time, then honestly, if you make it in 2 minutes, then you should pat yourself on the back because that's a big deal. Now, I'll try to keep it a little bit shorter. We probably won't go for the entire 30 minutes because this is a meditation practice and it probably is the first time practice for some of you. So let's just see how it goes. Perhaps this will be more of a challenge than any of the other things that we have done. But that's the whole point of this entire challenge, is to push yourself to become a little bit more centered, a little bit more focused, and a little bit more fit. Now that doesn't just extend to your body, it also extends to your mind. Meditation can be really helpful. Gratitude meditation specifically can help lower blood pressure, improve your immunity, and it also just generally improves your mood. Now, it's pretty obvious that focusing on the positive things in your life can be super beneficial, but it also helps to focus on the challenging or the neutral feeling times in your life and look at them with gratitude, because it can change your perspective towards those particular situations. So again, if this is your first time with any kind of experience with meditation, don't freak out. It's really not that wonky. You can just close your eyes and just listen to my voice and try to have an open mind and an open heart. And who knows, it might be super enjoyable for you. So we'll go ahead and get started. Come into, like I said, any comfortable meditative position. You want to be cross-legged, against the wall, again, up on blocks, whatever is most comfortable for you. You can just place the hands wherever's comfortable. Grow tall through the spine, and then just close off the eyes. Now take a moment to center yourself and just settle into your body. Allow each point of your body that is connected to the ground to really root down. Feel those points connected to your mat. As you inhale, see if you can grow a little bit taller. And as you exhale, allow yourself to settle into this position. Now take a moment to pay attention to your breath without manipulating it in any way. Just observe the quality of your breath, its location, its depth, and see if it feels like it's getting stuck somewhere. Just take a moment to tune into the breath and tune out everything else. Now, bring your awareness to all of the areas of your body that are making contact with something, be it a chair, a floor, maybe your hands are resting on your thighs. You can feel the fabric of your clothing on your shoulders, on your legs. Maybe you can feel the temperature of the air on your cheek. But pay attention to feeling of touch. Now bring your awareness to your sense of smell and focus on whatever you might be able to smell in this moment. Maybe it's the pine from your Christmas tree. Maybe there's something cooking. Whatever it may be, focus in on it. And now bring your awareness to the things that you can hear. You can listen for the sounds of your home, maybe the cars rolling on the street outside. Maybe it's windy. Whatever it is, take a moment to focus. See how far you can hear. And now bring your awareness to your sense of taste. See if you can taste whatever you ate last. Maybe you just woke up. Maybe you taste the mintiness of your toothpaste. And now bring your awareness to what you can see with your eyes closed. Maybe there are shadows or shapes that you can see through the back of your eyelids. Maybe it's just darkness. Maybe you see little flecks of color. Just bring that awareness to your sight. Now I want you to bring your awareness to something that you are experiencing in this present moment. So not necessarily something that's going on generally in your life, but something that you are experiencing right now. Maybe your clothes are super comfortable. Maybe you're feeling some discomfort in this posture. Whatever it may be, allow it fully into your presence. And see if you can find a way to feel grateful for this. Whatever this experience may be. Maybe it feels easy to feel grateful. Maybe it feels a little bit more difficult. But focus in on it. You can say to yourself, "For this I am grateful." Now I want you to think of someone who has supported your experience in life today, someone that you don't necessarily know well, but who has somehow contributed to your day today. Could be the author of the book that you're reading right now. Could be someone who raked the leaves or shoveled the walk outside. Could be the garbage person, your mailman. Whoever it may be, take a moment to think on that person and the work that they put in towards doing whatever it was that contributed to your experience today. And take a moment to simply feel grateful for the work that they put in. And now draw your attention to someone that you know well, someone that you care about. Could be a friend, a family member, a partner, a pet. Take a moment to think about what you appreciate about them, what you appreciate about who they are. Think about your experience that you have had with this person. Think about the impact that they have had on your life and your life experience. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself thanking this person and imagine them receiving your gratitude. And now again in your mind's eye, I want you to bring your attention to your heart center. And imagine right in your heart center this green light. Imagine this green growing from your heart center and extending out. Bring your attention back to your inhales and your exhales. And imagine that with every inhale, that green light is extending throughout your entire body. Extending through your abdomen, up through the throat, into your arms and your legs, your hands and your feet. Inhale and help it to grow. Now as you exhale, imagine that this green light is extending not just within you, but into the space surrounding you. Like a green haze of gratitude. Inhale to help it grow, and exhale to extend it out. Imagine that it is spreading until you feel it envelop those that you know and love. And then extends further into those in your neighborhood and your community. And again, until it extends to those that you don't know all around the world. And now as you inhale, bring some of that gratitude back to yourself. I want you to think about the attributes that you have, that you are thankful for. Think of the work that you put forth every single day. Be thankful that you are who you are. Now picture in your mind an experience that you've had in your life that was pleasant. Think of how that experience made you feel. And now picture in your mind an experience that was not so pleasant. And try to look at it with a new light. Maybe view how it has helped you become who you are now, or what you may have learned from that experience. And say to yourself, for this I am thankful. Be grateful for both the experiences that are pleasant and the experiences that are uncomfortable. Each gives you life experience. Now bring your focus back to your breath. As you inhale gratitude to yourself. And as you exhale, extend that gratitude to others. And then just focus on your breath. You can blink open the eyes. Take any wiggles that you need. If your feet are falling asleep, by all means, shift them. You can wiggle out the hands, the fingers, the toes. You can circle the ankles and the wrists. I hope that that was an enjoyable experience for you, as well as a challenge perhaps that you can grow from. Please comment below and let me know how that went for you, whether it was good, whether it was bad, if it was hard or easy, how you feel now. Please comment below. I want to know either way. As we go throughout the day today, I hope that we can, you and I both, carry gratitude with us a little bit more today and extend it to other people. Thank you so much for having an open heart and an open mind and sticking around this long with me for the whole meditation. I hope that you feel it was worth it. And either way, I will see you tomorrow. Have a swell day and namaste.